DeMatha Catholic High School is based in 6 distinct pillars, whether it be our academics, the arts, or our athletic program, or our foundation in faith, our strong sense of community, or our commitment to service. Those are the 6 pillars that make us who we are, that makes each of us a stag. I know that every young man that puts that jersey on wants to win, and it's something we're very proud of.
My high school team, we had 5 guys make the NBA.
We are very proud of the fact that we currently have 5 of our former players playing in the NBA. We have 11 other players playing professionally around the world. We currently have 22 NCAA student athletes, 18 of them being Division I student athletes.
I always tell people when I was at DeMatha, we were practicing like a college. So when I got to college, like, it was easy because I was learning all the terminology. I was, being held accountable every single day, like a pro when I was 14 years old. So I think it's no mistake why a lot of kids from DeMatha make that transition to college.
It's an honor for me as a coach to be so proud of the young men that our guys go on to become. They become great husbands, great fathers, great workers, great people within our community, beyond the game of basketball. Our young men are more than just basketball players. Our young men are more than just student athletes.
If you're a student at DeMatha, you're going to be surrounded by people that, I might be a basketball player, but I'm sitting next to somebody that wants to be the best at whatever it is he likes, the best musician, or, I want to be a businessman, or I want to be an engineer, or, we've got 5 school buildings. 3 of the school buildings at DeMatha were designed by a DeMatha graduate and basically got his start in architectural drawing.
This is where I learned how to become a man. This is where I learned the beauty of teamwork, the beauty of being a part of something bigger than yourself.
I think it taught me how to play with great players, how to play with players of a certain caliber, so I can fit in better when I move on to the next level.
From the administration to our teachers, to the student body, and the alumni, they all come back. They pack the Brendan Looney Convocation Center to cheer us on each and every chance they get. This is a special place. It is a place that will help prepare you for the future. It is a place that will expose you to colleges and universities that you have an interest in attending. For the next 4 years, you will grow, but for the next 40 years, you will reap the benefits of the development that you had while on Madison Street.
We are.
We are.
We are.
We are
DeMatha.
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 DeMatha Hoops.
We are DeMatha Hoops.
One DeMatha.